What is up guys? This iPhone 13 Pro has a broken back and the flashlight isn't working. Let's get the flashlight replaced today. Unscrew and pop that open. We need to remove the rear camera, the motherboard, the top speaker, and the front camera and Face ID module to gain access to the flashlight. Remove some more screws holding the flashlight and we can have the flashlight removed. Out with the old and in with the new. And quickly have everything installed. Let's turn the phone on and test out the flashlight. Perfect, job done. Don't drop your phone.